Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Splice app and you click here. In this page of app info we click on Forcestop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.